Hello students, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about nested loops in C. So nested means one loop statement inside another loop statement. Okay, next nested means one statement inside another statement. So here nested loops, writing one loop statement inside another loop statement is known as nested loop. Okay, so the nested loops are classified into three types. Those are nested while loop, nested do while loop and nested for loop. Okay, so let's see one by one. The first one is nested while loop. We all know while loop. While loop is used to execute statements many number of times based on the condition, and it is also a entry controlled loop. So here writing one while loop statement inside another while loop statement is known as nested while loop. Let's see the syntax. So here we all know while loop contain three specification. One is initialization and next one is condition and third one is updation. Okay. So first initialization. Initialization means giving value to a variable. So I am initializing I is equals to 1. The next one is condition. Okay. So I less than 5. So this is my condition. While condition. Okay. Again initialization. So here it is one while loop and it is one more while loop. So it is in the so here one while loop contain inside another while loop, that is known as nested while loop. Okay, so next again initialization. Next I am taking one more variable, that is j is equals to 1. Next j less than 5. Okay, this is one more condition. So here one condition contain another condition. So first see this example. First initialization I is equals to 1, I less than 5. I less than 5 is true, 1 less than 5 is true. Then it goes to initialization part. Okay, j is equals to 1. Again j less than 5. So 1 less than 5 is also true. Then these statements are executed. Okay. Then what is the increment? So here updation is only applicable to the j value. Next j plus plus. I is not incremented. Only j part is incremented. This loop execute. Okay. This part of loop execute until it false. Okay. Until it true. First initialization, that is I is equals to 1. I less than 5. Okay. J is equals to 1. J less than 5, that means 1 less than 5 is true. Then this set of statements are executed. Again j value only incremented to 2. Okay, j less than 5, that is 2 less than 5 is true. Statements are again executed 1 2, and next j value is 3 and 3 less than 5 is true. Third time statements are executed 4 5. 5 less than 5 is false. Okay, 5 less than 5 is false. That's why it goes to this part. Okay, now I value is incremented. So I value 1 is incremented to 2. So 2 less than 5 is true. Again it goes to this. Again j value is 1. Okay, next 1 less than 5 is true. Again 1 2 3 4. Okay, so this set of statements execute 4 into 4, 16 times. Okay, 16 times this set of statements are executed. So that is the importance of nested while loop. Okay, so if you want to execute many number of times, instead of using only one while loop, you can use two while loops inside one more while loop. Okay, inside one another while loop. Next one is nested do while loop. So writing one do while loop statement inside another do while loop statement is known as nested do while loop. So we all know do while loop. So the difference between while loop and do while loop is entry control loop and do while is exit controlled loop. Exit controlled means here the statements are executed at least one time, whether the condition is either true or false. So it is not, if the condition is false, the statements are executed in do while loop at least one time. Let's see the example. It is also contain three specification: initialization, condition checking and updation. So first initialization, I am initializing I is equals to 1, j is equals to 1. Okay. So this is initialization do, again initialization do, then block of statements. So here the block of statements are related to this particular j. Okay. Next, while condition. So here I am writing j less than 5. Okay. Updation j plus plus. Again while condition. So here I am writing I less than 5, I plus plus. Okay. So let's see how it will execute. First initialization I is equals to 1, j value is also 1. So I value 1, j value 1. Next, block of statements are executed. This block of statements are first executed and then we are checking the condition, that is j less than 5, that is 1 less than 5 is true. So 1 printed. Okay, already 1 printed. 1 less than 5 is true. Next, j value is incremented to 2. Okay. Yes, again statements are printed. Next, 2 less than 5 is true. Next, value is incremented to 3, 3 value printed. Next, 3 less than 5 is true. Again 4, value printed 4. Okay, 5 less than 5 condition is false. It goes to this. Okay, I value 1, 1 less than 5 is true. Okay. Next, updation is done. Okay, I plus plus 2. Again it goes to j value. Okay. So again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 into 4, 16 times this will be printed. Okay, that is do while loop. Next, last one is nested for loop. Writing one for loop inside another for loop is known as nested for loop. Okay. Writing one for loop statement inside another for loop statement is known as nested for loop statement. Okay, let's see the example. So in this for loop, all initialization, updation and condition statements are in one. Okay. So first initialization is I is equals to 1, condition is I less than 5 and updation is I plus plus. And again I am initializing j is equals to 1, j less than 5, j plus plus. Okay. So first I value is initialized 1 less than 5 is true, then it goes to this. J is equals to 1, 1 less than 5 is true, then statements are printed one time. Now, J value is updated, not I value. Okay. So, J value is updated and this will be executed until this condition is true. Okay. So, J value is incremented to 2. 2 less than 5 is true. Second time statements are executed. Again j value is incremented to 3. 3 less than 5. Again third statements are executed. Again j value is incremented to 4. 4 less than 5 is true. Fourth time statements are executed. Now 5. J value is incremented to 5. 5 less than 5 is false. So that's why this will be not executed. Then I value is incremented by 1. Okay. So I value first 1, now incremented to 2, 2 less than 5 is true. Again j value is initialized to 1, 1 less than 5 is true. Again statements are executed. Next j value, again here j value is incremented. Okay, j value is 2, second time statements are executed. Next third time, fourth time. Again 5 less than 5 condition is false. Again I value is incremented. I value is now 3. Okay. J value is 1. So in this way statements are executed 4 into 4, 16 times. So you can use either nested while loop, nested for loop and nested do while loop to execute statements n number of times. Okay, I hope it is clear. If you have any doubts regarding to this video, please comment me in the comment section. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.